Living room and the kitchen will be just like this again. The toilet, the shower. This is the living room. I think this is about 8 or 7 feet. The kitchen as well, and then we have the door in the middle. Now we are here in the room. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Building a Province House here in Cebu. Today we are here in the site and I am going to give you guys a quick update about, not quick, but I'm going to give you guys a update of the house and how's the progress, what has been done, and what are the additional materials that we also have to get. And before we start, I want to thank a few people that has sent gifts through PayPal for the house building. Thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate it. Without you, I wouldn't be able to continue this house. It really helps me a lot because as you guys have seen on the previous video that I've already over my budget, but I truly appreciate you guys supporting me all the way with regards to this province house building journey. So thank you so much again. So here are the people that I'm gonna thank. Hold on a second. All right, we're gonna start with Gavin Payrox. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce your name, but I hope I said it right. Next, Mr. Michael Fobol, thank you so much. Next, Frank Cooper. Mr. Shooter, thank you so much. Stephen Johnson, thank you. And last but not the least, we have Paul Baird. Thank you so much guys again. I don't know, I am so beyond grateful because honestly you don't need to send me gifts about the house, but you guys just watching my video, it totally helps me a lot already. But again, it's a blessing and I am open to accept it with all of my heart. So thank you so much. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and go into the house and see what are the progress. Let's go.
Leave rolling, Mister.
Yeah, leave rolling, honey. Okay, so as you guys can see, we already have... Oh, there's a really cute butterfly. Oh, as you guys can see, look, he's loving me. As you guys can see, we already have all of the wall, which is hardy flex, and at the bottom we have the hollow blocks. So let's try to go around the house so you guys can really see how is it looking. So we have here, this is going to be our kitchen area, and now we go here at the back. So here is our septic tank. It's actually over there. We're going to try to look at it because a lot of you are asking how do we do the septic tank here, because it is quite different from what you guys are used to. The normal one is by using concrete, but for us it isn't concrete. So my father is working on the septic tank, as you guys can see, but this is how it's looking, guys. So we have about I think we have about 8 big truck tires over there. We just piled it up, and I think this is about 8 or 7 feet. And then we are going to put concrete here at the top. Look of the house at the back. Now on the left side of it, you can see the window from the kitchen as well, and then we have the door in the middle, and then on the right side we have a little window for the toilet. Now as you guys can see on the toilet side, you can see that it is actually half hardy flex and half concrete. That's because that's the toilet, you know, you don't want to have the hardy flex in there because we will be showering there as well. All right, let's try to go around the house. By the way, guys, this way over here, we are trying to do a canal for the PVC pipe to go directly into the septic tanks. As you guys can see, we have a big PVC pipe over here, and we'll just have to connect that going to the septic tank. So yeah, there you go. And then this is we have a lot of butterflies. Can you see? Okay, on the other side, this is going to be the left side of the house. All right, we have another window. It is a small one as well because this is again the toilet, the shower, and yeah. So on this side, we're gonna go through here. Come on. By the way, guys, my videographer is Tom Roaming Hogan. Subscribe to him. And yeah, he's been my videographer all throughout this province house journey. Okay, now on this side, we have here another window. This is for the room, and I'm quite excited for it. I've already seen what's inside. I mean, it's not totally finished, but it is already looking like a room. And yeah, it is quite big than I expected it to be. So come on, let's go ahead and continue here. On this side here, we have another window. Can you guys see? This is a window for the room as well. We only have one bedroom, so that's why we have two windows. So that's good because, yeah, we have a lot of blessings coming in. More windows, more blessings. So come on, let's go in here. We still have a lot of materials here in the front. This is actually where the porch is, and nothing has been done yet because I want to have the main house to, to finish first, so that we can already occupy the house and it can be livable. But yeah, so this is the door. We don't have a door yet, but this is our doorway. So we have two doors. This is the front, and we have the back door, the one you saw earlier. All right, now it is quite messy because we have a lot of hardy flecks on the floor because they're still working on it. But where I'm standing, this is actually going to be this is the living room. So pretty much it is a good size for me. I think we will not be lounging here most of the time because we will be at the terrace, unless if we're gonna be watching some movies and stuff like that. So yeah, this is the living area. I wanted to put like some couches in here and a TV in here and stuff like that. Now over here, this is like the divider, but I'm not going to put a division so that it will look more spacious. Yeah, it's going to be like an open plan, so we're not going to put a divider here. So the living room and the kitchen will be just like all in one. All right, so this is where our kitchen is going to be. As you guys can see from here, this is the countertop is going to be. So from here to there, that's going to be the countertop. So he is currently working on it right now. So yeah, I'm going to update you guys once that's been finished. Now we're going to go into the room. Now we are here in the room. Yeah, this is the door. We already have a door in the room. And come on in, let's get inside. Okay, so this is how the room is looking, guys. It is actually very spacious. I would say that this is exactly the same size as the room that we have in the city. I wasn't expecting it to be like this, honestly. So I'm quite happy for that. Now, we go into the side of the room. So this is the toilet over here. The toilet is actually outside of the room so that everyone can use it. They don't need to get inside the room, but that's okay for us. And then, as you guys can see, we have here like a divider, So this is where we're gonna put like the cabinets for the clothes and, stuff like that. And then where Tom is standing, well, in this area over here, this is where we're gonna put the bed. So we're gonna have the bed over here, and then in this side we're gonna put the study table so we can edit. And we have like a really beautiful view over here. There's a lot of plants. I love the room. I love the size of it. It's just enough for us to, I think it is big, right, honey? Yeah, and again, the wall is not going to be just like this, okay? We're going to do a double walling for this, so you will not be able to see like these woods that you guys are looking at. And then, yeah, let's go ahead and go to the toilet. Over here. So this is the toilet, guys. So we have the formation of the door already, and we have our door over here. There you go. And then, yeah, this is just an okay size toilet, I guess, This is where we're going to shower. I think most of the time, Tom is going to shower outside because of there's rainwater available. But yeah, this is where going to be our toilet bowl, and here will be our sink or whatnot, So yeah, it's on the works. It's It's looking good. I love it. Like this window over here, this is really good, honestly, because we don't need to put ventilation. So, you know, the smell of Tom's. I'm just kidding. So yeah, we'll just have to have that open. Then yeah, it will be fresh again over here, you know. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Let's try to go out because they're working on it right now. By the way, we have the beautiful view from the back door. That's how it's looking, guys. A lot of you loves the view here, and yes, it is really indeed beautiful. I love it, and we will have that the same view if Tom is going to wash the dishes. Are you? Or cooking? All right, let's try to go out because they're working on it right now. And yes, I'm quite happy, guys, honestly, with the current update of the house. And I am so excited for this to be finished. And again, I am so grateful for you guys watching the video, sharing the videos, interacting with us, and especially for the people that was so kind and generous enough to send gifts through PayPal. I truly appreciate it. I can't thank you guys enough because, you know, there has been a lot of additional materials that I needed to get, and I'm already over my budget for the house. I do not know yet how much will it cost me for the entire materials for this house to be finished, but I'm just so grateful that you guys are there supporting me all the way, so thank you. Alright guys, now we are here at the front where the porch is, and as you guys can see, nothing has been done yet here. We have the roof and that's it. This is actually, I'm still like thinking what will be the best design for the porch. Well, I am thinking of actually putting some hammock over here and some couch, some tables. I'm gonna put like some tables over here, you know, so that we can have like an outdoor dining situation. So yes, guys, we're actually gonna have it cemented as well. So we're gonna put some cement over here and have it tiled as well. And yeah, I love the porch because it is very big. Honestly, I love it so much. I think most of the time you will see us here. We will be lounging here and probably editing videos. And yeah, I would love to have a really nice couch over here as well. And actually the view from the porch is not that bad. I know that on this side over there, there's like a hillside and you cannot really see like the view. But if you look up, you can see the beautiful, you know, mountains above. And there's like, you know, you can see the skies as well. And on the left side, that's where you can see the beautiful mountains. And yeah, it is really pretty as well. And you know, we are surrounded with trees, so it's very fresh as well, and I totally love it. And yes, by the way, here on my left side, you guys can see we have here the additional materials for the house. I ordered this, I think that was yesterday or the other day, my mom did. And this we had to add additional 13 sack of cement. This is for the concrete floor for the porch. So we had 13, and this is about 3,000 peso. And then we also had to add, it's over there. Let's go here. We also had to add, guys, some sand. So we have here 2 mini dump trucks of sand, and this costs about 3,400 peso. So yeah, this is again for the front porch. It's so crazy. I was like thinking, I know some of you guys are asking, why did I not have it concrete? And why did I use HardyFlex and stuff like that? Imagine, I was actually calculating everything, you know, and trying to match it with my budget. Imagine if I'm going to have everything concrete, it's going to cost me around 300,000 peso, which is about what, honey? 300,000, 6,000 US dollars, and I don't have that much money, guys. So that's why I decided to just have it, to just use HardyFlex. I mean, HardyFlex, it's good. It's anti-earthquake, it's anti-termites, and also it's anti-fire. So it's good. I mean, it's not it's not like the plywood that can go easily bad through time, but HardyFlex is quite good. So it's a combination of a wood and a cement. So I think that will hold up for the next few years that we will be spending here. But again, this is not gonna be a permanent place. This is just going to be like a province rest house for us, you know, whenever we wanted to come here in the Philippines and, you know, stop traveling for a bit. So yeah, this is where we are going to be. And then, by the way, we have added some hollow blocks. It's over there. We have added about 200 hollow blocks again. Imagine, guys, I do not know how many hollow blocks have I purchased yet. That's exactly the reason why I did not make the house concrete, because oh my gosh, it's a lot of hollow blocks, it's a lot of sand, a lot of cement, and it is quite pricey. So that's why I want it to be just hardy flex, and I think it works good. And yeah, anyway, that's pretty much it, guys, for the house update. I am so happy about the progress of the house, and we are almost there. We're almost there. I cannot wait to transfer here maybe next month. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, again for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and thank you again for following us through this journey. I truly appreciate each one of you. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave me a comment down below, and as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.